the F-15 Eagle, a name that has become synonymous with air dominance and unparalleled performance in the skies. Since its introduction in the 1970s, this fighter jet has been a symbol of American air superiority, feared and respected by adversaries around the world. With its twin-engine design, advanced avionics, and impressive payload capacity, the F-15 has consistently outperformed its competitors. It has been a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's tactical fighter fleet, participating in numerous conflicts and proving its mettle time and again. This legendary fighter jet has ruled the skies for decades, engaging in dogfights, intercepting enemy aircraft, and executing precision strikes with unmatched accuracy. Its combat record is nothing short of extraordinary, with over 100 aerial combat victories and 0 losses. However, as technology advanced and new threats emerged, many thought its time was coming to an end. The advent of stealth technology and fifth-generation fighters seemed to signal the twilight of this iconic aircraft. But the F-15 is back, and it's better than ever. Enter the F-15EX Eagle II, a modernized version of the classic fighter that brings cutting-edge technology and enhanced capabilities to the battlefield. This isn't a simple return. The F-15EX represents a significant leap forward, incorporating advanced avionics, improved radar systems, and increased payload capacity. It is designed to operate seamlessly alongside fifth-generation fighters, providing a versatile and powerful complement to the modern air fleet. The Eagle has been reborn as the F-15EX, a testament to the enduring design and combat prowess of the original. This new iteration retains the core strengths of its predecessor, while integrating state-of-the-art technology to meet the demands of contemporary warfare. This is a testament to its enduring design and combat prowess. The F-15EX is not just a relic of the past, it is a formidable force for the future, capable of engaging in complex missions and adapting to evolving threats. The resurgence of the F-15 might surprise some, especially in an era where stealth and advanced technology dominate the conversation. Yet, the F-15EX proves that there is still a place for raw power and proven performance in modern air combat. The world is focused on stealth technology, with aircraft like the F-35 and F-22 Raptor representing the pinnacle of modern fighter design. These fifth-generation fighters are equipped with advanced stealth capabilities, making them nearly invisible to radar. Fifth-generation fighters like the F-35 are all the rage, capturing the imagination of military strategists and aviation enthusiasts alike. Their ability to penetrate enemy defenses and deliver precision strikes is unparalleled. But the F-15X proves that raw power and capability never go out of style. Its robust design, combined with modern upgrades, ensures that it remains a relevant and formidable asset in any aerial conflict. It's a reminder that sometimes the best solutions are the ones proven in the crucible of combat. The F-15EX Eagle II stands as a bridge between the past and the future, embodying the legacy of its predecessor while embracing the advancements of modern technology. The U.S. Air Force faced a challenge. Its aging fleet of F-15S was nearing retirement. The F-22 Raptor, a stealth fighter, was supposed to be the future. But the F-22 program was cut short. This left a gap in air superiority. The F-35 Lightning II, another stealth fighter, was in development. But the F-35 is expensive. It also has faced delays and technical issues. The Air Force needed a solution. It needed an aircraft that could bridge the gap. The F-15EX emerged as the answer. Boeing, the aerospace giant, answered the call. They took the legendary F-15 and reimagined it for the 21st century. The result is the F-15EX Eagle II. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. The F-15X boasts a suite of advanced technologies. It has a new digital fly-by-wire system. This makes the aircraft more responsive and maneuverable. The Eagle II also features advanced avionics and sensors. This gives pilots unparalleled situational awareness. Section 4. Advanced capabilities for modern warfare. The heart of the F-15EX is its engines. These engines are a marvel of modern engineering, designed to deliver unmatched power and reliability. They are the result of decades of research and development, incorporating the latest advancements in aerospace technology. These are the most powerful engines ever fitted to an F-15. Capable of producing immense thrust, they enable the aircraft to perform at the highest levels of combat readiness. The engines are not just powerful, but also highly efficient, ensuring that the F-15EX can operate over long distances without the need for frequent refueling. They provide incredible thrust and acceleration. This allows the F-15EX to quickly reach its operational altitude and speed, making it a formidable presence in any combat scenario. The afterburners in particular give the aircraft a significant boost, allowing it to outpace many of its adversaries. This allows the Eagle II to reach speeds exceeding Mach 2.5. Such high speeds are crucial for both offensive and defensive maneuvers, enabling the aircraft to engage and disengage from combat situations with ease. The ability to break the sound barrier also means that the F-15EX can cover vast distances in a short amount of time. It can outmaneuver almost any opponent in the sky. The F-15EX is designed with agility in mind, allowing it to perform complex aerial maneuvers that are essential in dogfight scenarios. Its advanced avionics and flight control systems provide the pilot with unparalleled control, making it one of the most agile fighters in the world. The F-15X is also armed to the teeth. It is equipped with a wide array of weapons, making it capable of handling various combat roles. From air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs, the F-15EX can deliver a devastating payload to any target. It can carry a massive payload of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. This versatility allows the F-15X to be deployed in a variety of mission profiles, from air superiority to ground attack. The aircraft's ability to carry such a diverse range of weapons makes it a key asset in modern warfare. This includes the latest missiles, bombs, and even hypersonic weapons. The integration of hypersonic weapons is a game-changer, providing the F-15EX with the capability to strike targets at unprecedented speeds. This makes it a formidable opponent, capable of taking on the most advanced threats. The Eagle II is a versatile platform. Its design allows it to adapt to a wide range of mission requirements, making it an invaluable asset to any air force. Whether it's air superiority, ground attack, or reconnaissance, the F-15EX can do it all. It can handle a wide range of missions. The F-15X's adaptability and advanced capabilities ensure that it remains at the forefront of modern aerial combat, ready to meet the challenges of today's dynamic battlefield. Section 5, Beyond Stealth, a multi-role powerhouse. Some might question the relevance of a non-stealthy fighter in the age of radar-evading technology, but the F-15X proves that stealth isn't everything, it's just one tool in the toolbox. The Eagle II compensates for its lack of stealth with sheer power, speed, and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. It can jam enemy radars and disrupt their communications. In a head-to-head fight, the F-15X can hold its own against any adversary. Section 6, a cost-effective guardian of the skies. The F-15X offers another crucial advantage: cost-effectiveness. Developing and building a new stealth fighter is incredibly expensive. The F-35 program has faced cost overruns and delays. The F-15EX, on the other hand, is based on a proven design. This reduces development costs. It also simplifies maintenance and logistics. The Eagle II has a longer service life than other fighters. It's designed to fly for decades to come. Section 7. Soaring into the future. The F-15X is not just a stopgap measure. It represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology, combining the best of the past with cutting-edge advancements. This aircraft is designed to meet the evolving needs of modern warfare, ensuring that the U.S. Air Force remains at the forefront of aerial combat. It's a key part of the U.S. Air Force's future. The F-15EX brings enhanced capabilities, including advanced avionics, increased payload capacity, and improved survivability. These features make it a formidable opponent in any conflict, capable of executing a wide range of missions with precision and efficiency. The Air Force has already placed significant orders for the Eagle II. This commitment underscores the confidence in the F-15EX's ability to deliver unmatched performance and reliability. The aircraft's versatility allows it to seamlessly integrate into existing fleets, providing a cost-effective solution for maintaining air superiority. Other countries are also showing interest. The F-15EX's reputation is spreading globally, attracting attention from allied nations looking to bolster their own air forces. Its proven track record and state-of-the-art technology make it an attractive option for international partners seeking to enhance their defense capabilities. The F-15EX is a testament to the enduring legacy of the Eagle design. Building on decades of success, this new iteration honors its predecessors while pushing the boundaries of what is possible in modern aviation. The seamless blend of tradition and innovation ensures that the Eagle's legacy will continue to soar. It's a powerful symbol of American air power. The F-15X embodies the strength and resilience of the U.S. military, serving as a reminder of the nation's commitment to maintaining peace and security. Its presence at military events and air shows inspires confidence and pride among service members and civilians alike. With its advanced capabilities, cost-effectiveness, and long service life, the F-15X will continue to dominate the skies for generations to come. Its sophisticated systems and robust design ensure that it can adapt to future challenges, making it a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's strategic planning. The Eagle has landed, and it's here to stay. As the F-15X takes its place in the annals of aviation history, it stands as a beacon of technological prowess and a symbol of enduring excellence. The future of air combat is here, and it is embodied in the F-15EX.